In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in STC Pay Bank app. Changing the language in the STC Pay app is a quick process, and the app makes it easy to switch between Arabic and English depending on your preference. Once you update the setting, the entire app interface, menus, and options will adjust to your chosen language. To begin, open the STC Pay app on your smartphone and log in with your registered phone number and password or fingerprint Face ID. Once you're on the home screen, look for the profile or settings icon, usually located at the top right or bottom menu. Inside the settings menu, you'll find the language option. Tap it, and you'll be given a choice between Arabic and English. Select your preferred language, then confirm. After selecting, the app will automatically refresh and reload in your new language setting. In most cases, you don't even need to log out or restart the app. The change applies instantly. If the new language doesn't load right away, simply close the app completely and reopen it. This feature is particularly useful if you share your phone or app with someone who prefers a different language, or if you are more comfortable navigating banking functions in your native language. It ensures that you can manage transfers, bill payments, international remittances, and your account settings with full clarity. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.